How to make and share Amazon wishlist. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Talks. To make and share Amazon wishlist, open Amazon shopping app. Now select any product that you want to add to your wishlist. So simply search for the product. Here I will add this product to my wishlist. So simply click on the product and then scroll down. Here you will see this icon, add to wishlist, so simply click on that. Here you can see I have successfully added this item to my wishlist. To add more product to your wishlist, simply follow the same process. Go back and search for the product. Click on the product that you want to add to your wishlist. Scroll down and click on add to wishlist. Now select the wishlist where you want to add your product to. This is how we make Amazon wishlist. Now to share the wishlist, click on this view wishlist tab. Here you can find your wishlist. So simply click on invite located on top of your screen. Now select any of it, view only or view and edit. After selecting it, simply copy link and send to the person whom you want to share your wishlist. This is how you make and share Amazon wishlist. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials.